NFT in 2025. After the 2021 to 2022 peak, the market stopped rewarding quick flips and began to value projects with utility and cultural ties. Integration with real-world assets, RWAs, loyalty and membership programs, and community-first experiences has grown. Key numbers. With the advent of NFTs, the market reached truly remarkable peaks. The record stood at around $364 billion, with peak volumes of about $27 billion, showing how central the sector was in those years. Now we see the market has returned to more normal levels, still with substantial figures. In August alone, the market generated over $600 million in value. There are fewer pump and dumps and more value-driven transactions in collections with clear utility. And million-dollar sales still occur but are now the exception rather than the rule. From collectible to cultural utility. Looking at how the market has evolved, we have moved from digital scarcity for its own sake to memberships that unlock experiences, access, and benefits of various kinds across sectors, with some projects integrating this form of engagement to maintain a direct relationship with holders. The same holds for RWAs, real-world assets, where physical assets, collectibles, fashion, collectible cards, goods of various kinds, are brought into the digital realm, enabling new forms of custody and exchange previously unthinkable. Use cases for brands, creators, and SMEs. Among the various use cases where NFTs can be integrated: loyalty and membership, tiers of belonging, progressive benefits, exclusive events and content, ticketing and access, programmable, anti-bot tickets, tracked resale, and revenue sharing, RWAs and collecting, cards, sneakers, vinyl records, memorabilia with custody and verifiable redemption, co-creation and IP, open licenses that enable fan-made content and revenue sharing, education and fundraising, participation tokens, scholarships, micro-sponsorships, and transparent treasuries, tourism and hospitality, digital passes, dynamic upgrades, token-gated local experiences, fashion and gaming, phygital skins, asset interoperability, integrated seasonal drops. Framework: how to design an NFTs with real utility. When building an NFT project, you need to have the objective in mind and define its desired outcome: retention, LTV, leads, sales, awareness, and so on, as well as the target audience, since not everyone is already up to speed with this technology, and targeting an older segment risks missing the mark. On the technical side, clearly identify the benefits the user will receive, access discounts, content, status, as well as how the NFT will be issued, whether minting is free or not, whether it is transferable, and so on. User experience management must not be underestimated. Create guides and the necessary resources to help new users manage wallets, transactions, and any other friction points in the process. If you're looking to transform your audience into a community with real benefits, Hoken Tech creates and manages end-to-end NFT projects. Find the link in the description. If you're fascinated by how blockchain, NFTs, and artificial intelligence are transforming the world and want to learn more, you can't miss this exclusive video. Click now to learn more about this revolution and stay up to date on the latest trends and innovations in the industry.